The right-hand track on the skid steer is coming off or jumping, and it's jumping to the inside.
Morning, guys. We're back to work today. This morning we are working on this what's that? Skid steer. It has a problem. What is that? It's kind of like off. The track is get off. So Kenny and I are working on it to see if we can put it back.
Okay, back out here on the project. We had the same problem yesterday. We didn't get the good video of it, so we decided to bring the tripod this time. But the right-hand track on the skid steer is coming off or jumping, and it's jumping to the inside. So, which is actually kind of fortunate. It's easier to pull the track out than it would be to push it in. And if you can look closely in there, you see these teeth, they got to run in these grooves. 2 rows of teeth, 2 grooves, it's jumped over one. So the solution is to take the digger bucket, wrap a chain on the track, and we'll put knee in the skid steer. I'll get in the digger. We communicate with our walkie-talkies, and we'll just go real slow and easy, and she will gently back up. And it's kind of like putting a bicycle chain back on the sprocket. She'll back up, and I'll pull a little bit of tension with the digger bucket, and she'll sort of hold some left turn on the reverse, and that'll keep the back end of the skid steer from going this way, and it won't let me pull it too far. Hold that little bit of tension, and then all we have to do is make about a quarter of a trip around on the track, and that should get it back on. You know, sometimes it goes right the first time. Other times I do it maybe 1 or 2 times before we get it right, but hopefully this will work this morning. All right? Yeah, so knee. It can be the same thing that we did yesterday. You get in, put the armrest down. We're not going to worry about this bucket at all. Just leave it where it is. And you're going to work on the left control, real slow reverse, and a little bit of left-hand turn. And just talking to each other on the walkie-talkies. So let's check the walkie-talkie. Can you hear me?
Loud and clear. Loud and clear.
Say it again.
Loud and clear.
Okay, you hear me okay?
Yep.
Okay, babe. Back up easy. Remember, you have to hit that red parking button. Keep going.
Seems like it's already back to the track.
No, it's not. I can see it. Keep going. My chain came off. Let me go out and look at it. drive forward. Hold it. Okay, back up slowly. Keep going. All right, I think that got it. Let me see. Yeah, that got it. So, back to work.
It's okay. Let me video this thing first, see how bad it is. I've diagnosed the problems.
You gonna diagnose the problem?
I diagnose the problem, and then you're the one who solve the problem.
Okay, this one is correct, right? You got the 2 rows of teeth, and they're running this groove and this groove, right? So this track is in alignment. It's good.
Okay.
It's the other side that's not good because it is partially jumped the track to where this row of teeth is running in this row of teeth is running in this groove.
Yeah.
And this row of teeth should be running in this groove.
Yeah.
So we need to pull all this way.
Oh no.
So we're going to do it a couple different things we're going to do to make that happen.
Okay.
All right. So come over here. I've got a 20-ton jack.
All right.
And we're going to jack up the back of the skid steer.
All right.
Then I'm going to put you in the operating seat in here,
Okay.
and we're going to jack up the front of the skid steer using the bucket.
Okay.
And then
Oh, I know what you mean. So to get it
Then
off
I'm gonna
the
take
ground.
a chain, I'm gonna wrap a chain here and tie it over there. And I'm gonna pull it just a little bit with the digger. And then I'm gonna let you just drive it reverse a little bit, real slow. And it'll, hopefully the track will go back on. Okay, that's my plan.
All right. So this track is gonna be off the ground a little bit.
Yeah, it will be barely touching the ground. I don't think we'll get it completely up.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
So, yeah. And here's one of the reasons why it takes 2 people. And I'll come show you over here. Is that you see this yellow frame?
Okay.
You see the way the door is?
Uh-huh.
If you get this box too high, you can't open and close the door.
Yeah.
All right, so I need to put you in there
All right.
and do all the controls of getting this thing the way we want it,
Okay.
and not need to open and close the door. If I was doing it by myself, I would need to get out and go around the back and get in the digger and all that. And I may be in a situation where I can't open the door. I couldn't
Got
get out
you. Yeah. So you're gonna put me there in position first before you go to.
before I do all the other stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, so the first thing I'll do is just jack up the back.
All right. finally put this tracks in place. And now, look at this! Mission accomplished! So guys, Kenny and I have been figured out how to put this track together. And we did it. We did it. So just share with you guys this thing. So
Say something?
what? Yes, sir.
We did it, and I don't think that I could have done it with anybody else except me. She is just such good help when we do things like this. She is real specific. We communicate clearly. We don't do anything until we both understand what we're going to do.
Yep.
And we're very, very clear. Sometimes I make a mistake and she'll catch me on it. But before we move, we're going to communicate. We had the walkie-talkie so we could talk while we were doing the maneuver.
Yeah.
And it just makes all the difference having the right person to help you so you can get this done, get it done safely.
Yeah. That's good, baby. You actually have a good plan too. So yeah, Kenny. Kenny says that I'm always a very good help for him. Big help. Because we communicate really good. We understand what to do. So we finally fixed a lot of problems, and we just want to share with you guys how to fix this in case you have a problem like us. So hope you guys can fix this. I mean, hope you guys found this helpful. All right.